When it comes to outdoor kitchen ideas, there are endless options for layout, materials, appliances, customized features, and overall aesthetics. Without professional help, designing and prepping to build your outdoor kitchen may sometimes be a hard task, but don't be discouraged. There's a lot of resources out there to make it easier on yourself to build your dream outdoor kitchen. I want to focus on 2 outdoor kitchen builders, and the first one comes from RTA Outdoor Living. Simply go to design.rtaoutdoorliving.com. There's a link in the description below that takes you right to it. First, pick your kitchen layout. I have an idea already in mind, so I'll choose the L shape with corner and the grill on the left. I love as much space as I can get, especially for prep work, so I'll go with a 6 feet island for the grill option. And for the other island, I'll go with the 7 feet and make that my serving and prep area. When it comes to layout, I'll go with grill and medium accessory, because I want to have a power burner for when I need to focus on 2 things at once. For the middle part, I'll go with the right option. I want to have it as an empty counter so I can have more space to work around the grill. As for the other island, I want to have a refrigerator, a trash bin, and also a sink to make my work very easy. So I'll go with the first option. Now we come to the fun part, deciding the appliances. I'll start with the grill first, having some storage below both grill and power burner. For the middle, I'll go with the 3-drawer cabinet to make my life a bit easier to reach for things when I need them. For the 7-foot island, I'll include a full-size sink along with a pull-out trash and a refrigerator so I can have all my food next to me without needing to go back to the house. As a final option, I'll add a pizza oven next to the power burner to have some fun pizza nights. The greatest thing about this design tool is that it allows you to see your ideas come to life in a 3D render. You can move around and even pick the countertops and finish style. The second builder is a bit more thorough, and it comes from Trex Outdoor Kitchens. They made a Word document that is very easy to use and it has so much to offer. You can download it on their website, and I'll leave a link in the description below as well. To use the design tool, you need to open the document either on Word or Google Docs. I'll use Google Docs for this example to make it a bit easier. At the top of the document there are instructions on how to use it, which helps a lot to understand how to use it better. The idea is pretty simple though. Trex Outdoor Kitchens added chapters on the side that are used as catalog with all the appliances you might need. Simply just copy and paste your appliances next to each other, and you can see how it will look. And the best thing about it is that it gives you measurements for each appliance, making it very easy to plan your outdoor kitchen. Take your time and find everything you need, and at the end, your kitchen can look a bit something like this. Hopefully we help you understand how to visualize your outdoor kitchen a bit better. If you have any other design tools that are helpful to you, comment down below. We'd love to see what else is out there. Thanks for watching and happy building!